Have you ever set a date for the launch of your channel and something comes along that makes you start a little bit early? Yeah, that's what's happening today. Hi friends, I'm Michael Terrio and you guys are watching Cooking with Nutz. Start by giving this video a like and subscribe to my channel. Also be sure to hit that bell so you get notified each and every time I post a new video. I was browsing through my YouTube sub feed and came across Jenna's latest video. If you guys don't know what she posted, you guys can check that video in the description down below or in the card up here. She decided to make one of her friend's phrases a reality. And so that's what we're gonna be doing today. So in Jenna's video, she created the first ever, well, I believe it's the first ever, corn on the cob, but instead of the corn bone is the hot dog. And that's what we're gonna be doing today. Jenna, if you're watching this, I hope it turns out great. So let's get cracking. Things you will need are a cup of yellow cornmeal, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 1/4 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/8 of a teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 of a cup of white sugar, 4 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 egg, 1 cup of milk, corn, and some hot dogs. Mix all your dry ingredients together. In a separate bowl, add your egg and your milk. And then finally add your wet ingredients to your dry, and try not to make a mess when you mix. Michael! Finally, I put the batter in a glass, so that way it's easier to dip the hot dog in. Next, skewer your hot dog, and dip it into your batter. I filled the bottom of the glass with frozen corn, place the hot dog in, and pour the rest of the corn to fill up the glass. As you see, I got a fair amount of corn. But to make sure that I fill every crevice, I spread out the corn on a cookie sheet and covered up the dog. And finally, here's the moment of truth, dipping it in the fryer. I did it! Oh my gosh! It's corn on the cob, but instead of the corn bone, it's a hot dog! Ah! Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, I can't believe it actually worked! So I think this deserves a Jenna's hell yeah! And of course, you gotta eat it like corn. So here we go. That was actually pretty good. So there you guys have it. That was Jenna's very own creation. Corn on the cob, but instead of the corn bone is the hot dog. If you guys really enjoyed this video, give it a like, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified each and every time I post a new video, and be sure to follow me on all my social medias. Twitter and Instagram are _Michael Terrio, and on Facebook is Michael Terrio RVA. Alright, Jenna, if you are watching this, I hope I really did you proud. So there you guys have it. I'll officially be launching this channel starting August 14th, 2019. I can't wait to see you guys then. Bye, friends!